With the new Nude palette from Huda Beauty in the shade Play, I'm using a Morphe blending brush and applying the shade above the natural crease, making the application about the thickness of the brush, and then I'm arching it at the same arch as my natural crease, kind of the curve of my eyelid as you can see, and then I'm bringing it to meet the tape in the outer corner and just kind of feathering it lightly into the inner corner. So I'm just focusing the application of the color first, and then I'm going to go ahead and blend out that top edge using little circular motions like this. I just want to have a soft gradient between this color and the skin tone showing on my brow bone. Just being very light-handed and just using whatever's left on the brush to blend it out. With the shade Secret and the same blending brush, I'm applying this on the outer corner, blending it out onto the lid, sweeping it towards the middle of the eyelid, and then blending it into the previous Play shade, using little circular motions, building up the color some more once I've blended it out. Making sure you have an even application and a seamless blend between this shade and the previous. With the shade Raw and this small pencil brush from Morphe, I'm applying this lower into the outer corner, sweeping it in towards the inner corner, creating an even application. I'm going back in with the blending brush to help blend out a little bit, using a light hand and the in-between shade to kind of create a seamless blend between the three colors. Going back in with the pencil brush again to build up the color a little bit. This shade isn't going to show a whole lot because I'm going to go in with a wing, but I just want to make sure I have a seamless gradient. With the shade Bare and a flat shader brush, I'm applying this on the front portion of the lid and inner corner. I'm creating almost a soft cut crease, kind of applying this in a harsh line. I'm going to go over those pinks a little bit in the outer corner, but I'm going to go ahead and touch that up a little bit. And sweep it into the white shade, adding a little bit more white. Bringing that down onto the lower lash line area. With this liquid liner from Natasha Denona, I'm creating a straight wing here, and then just slowly bringing it towards the inner corner. I'm going to go ahead and finish the rest of the line, but first I'm going to fill in this shape, filling it in towards the lash line, and then drawing an inner corner wing, and then I'm smoking everything out with a black eyeshadow using this shader brush from the craft store. This is a paintbrush with just kind of like a flat edge. It's very soft. I love using this for lid applications, inner corner, and eyeliner. Just slowly buffing out that top edge so I don't have such a harsh line. Bringing this about 2/3 of the way in, smoking everything out. Next, with this tease shade, I'm blending out the top edge of the black a little bit more. Just keeping it as low as possible. I just kind of want the black to blend from the purple to the previous pinks we put in the outer corner. Being very light-handed and just gently sweeping across the black. You can kind of apply it on top as well. I'm going in with the blending brush to just kind of blend everything together, bringing that purple a little bit upwards to make sure that's blended. Then I'm using our first two crease shades on the lower lash line with the flat shader brush, bringing it towards the inner corner, kind of feathering out that bottom edge, and then using the shader brush from the craft store to go in with the darker shade tighter into the lash line. I want a little bit of the lighter color to peek through below that. So don't blend it as low as the previous shade. Applying some mascara. And then applying Lilly Lashes in the style VIP, and that completes the look. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the look. Be sure to subscribe down below and hit the notification bell. And if you did enjoy the look, I'd love if you could tap the like button, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye! Thank you for watching.